hot.
And it's about to get even hotter.
3, 2, 1. Initiate dance sequence.
Put on your dancing shoes, cause we are kickstarting the weekend with Hum Sound's DJ Mix.
Last night a DJ saved my life.
Featuring the Hum FM resident DJ Nolneek and a new guest DJ every Friday night. Text in your party requests at 5599.
Let's party.
And let the DJ mix it up for you.
Hum Sounds, the DJ Mix. Alright. Friday nights 8 p.m. onwards. It's your date to hit the floor.
हम एफएम स्टूडियोज में एक्जैक्टली 9 o'clock हम एफएम पर दिस इज हम साउंड्स डीजे मिक्स हर फ्राइडे रात 8 बजे से आपके लिए हम पेश करते हैं बट द रियल पार्टी एक्चुअली स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 9 PM बिकॉज हमारे रेसिडेंट डीजे नौनीत हमारे साथ हो जाते हैं. फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट वेलकम बैक टू द स्टूडियो.
Thank you very much and it's awesome to be back in the studio. A very big hello to our lovely listeners of Hum FM. And yes, Brazil has won the first game of the FIFA World Cup tournament.
Croatia got defeated 1-3 on Friday the 13th.
Yes, we have to. Well, they say it's a Black Friday, but today is not Black Friday, my friend. I guess it's a Yellow Friday.
It's a Samba Friday.
Yeah. Also, this is the live DJ mix segment. As you guys always know that we have guest artists, DJs, singers, actors. As the week comes ahead, and tonight we've got international artist as a guest, and he'll be here. He'll be with us 9 to 10. G.
Over the phone, we have the very popular DJ. एक ऐसा DJ, Nonit, I should tell you that जब request आते हैं for remix songs, he is one of the DJs जिसके नाम पे request आते हैं that can you please play this particular track mixed by this particular DJ. He is one of the DJs and we have the hugely talented, hugely popular,
of course,
and internationally he has played in many countries including US. And he is an artist जिनसे the great Jackie Shroff has taken an autograph.
Of course.
The one and only DJ Akhil Talreja.
DJ Akhil Talreja. So he's our international guest for tonight, and so let's start the show with DJ Akhil Talreja. Yeah.
Hi Auckland, I'm DJ Akhil Talreja, and you're listening to the DJ Mix with RJ Rupam and DJ Nonit on Hum FM.
You're listening to the DJ Mix with me, your resident DJ Nolneet, and of course Arja Rupam, and it's a pleasure to welcome our international DJ artist, our international DJ guest, one of the greatest DJs of Asia, Bollywood DJs of Asia, DJ Akhil Talreja, all the way from India. How are you doing, man? It's a pleasure to have you on our show.
Oh, thanks a lot for calling me in here. It's a pleasure to be here. Hi Nonit, how are you doing? And everybody in New Zealand, all my fans in New Zealand, hi there. And it's a pleasure to be here and talking to you guys. It is, always good to be on a radio show doing an interview because that's the best way to get to your fans.
What made you come into the DJ industry? Like, what about your inspirations and stuff? So what made you come into the DJ industry, Akhil?
I've been DJing since almost 9 to 10 years.
Yep.
And when I started DJing here in India, the industry was very new. It was almost 15-20 years old. 10 to 15 years old. Wherein every industry needs minimum of 50 years to 100 years to grow, to see light in it, see everybody knows about the industry, everybody respects it. It needs around 50 to 100 years. But here in India, when I started DJing, nobody knew about it much. Nobody cared about it. So the struggle was really very difficult in the beginning. But as I was also doing my studies then, it was always a hobby. As soon as I completed my education, I decided that it was almost we had crossed that age of, DJs not being known. So I decided that, instead of sitting on a desk and doing that 9 to 5 job, I would rather do something that I love. So I got into this, and I loved I used to get this high whenever I used to see crowd dancing. I had that control. You wouldn't call it control free, but I would say that behind the console I had this control that I can make people dance, I can make them be smiling, I can make them have fun. It was about giving entertainment.
Of course.
So that high you got was completely different from any other job. So I decided I will stick to this, and I stuck to it. And there were many obstacles, many obstacles, which nobody knows, because anybody who sees my profile pic, he says, Akhil Talreja must be a rich guy. He must have a lot of money. But they don't know the struggle that I have had is the equal amount of struggle that any other artist would need to go through. So I have gone through many obstacles and I have stuck to it. The time changed and now we see a different trend altogether, wherein we see a DJ also doing remixes. And I have always been doing remixes since 2007. I have already done 13 Bollywood movies officially.
That's right.
Namely, Tennule was my biggest hit.
And obviously,
Dhanadhan, Acid Factory, Hum Tum Shabana. I've done 13 official Bollywood mixes, but there was a trend which was about underground remixes. Underground Bollywood remixes. And I thought it's time to release an album, and my album was called Akhilicious Volume 1, wherein my album was super hit. And it was like, when a movie releases, an actor is a one-night hero. And I released the album, and you will not believe, worldwide, I had so many people started, loving my work. They said, who is this guy? I said, I was always here.
talking here and now. I'm talking here and now. Let's go. Your time is running out. I'm talking here and now. I'm talking here and now. It's not about what you've done, it's about what you're doing. It's all about where you're going, no matter where you've been.
Brooklyn. I am DJ Akhil Talreja, and you're listening to the DJ Mix with RJ Rupam and DJ Nonit on Hum FM.
बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए ओ जाने तमन्ना किधर जा रही हो जरा पास आओ
Alright, you're listening to the live DJ Mix segment. मैं हूँ DJ Navneet और हमारे साथ है RJ Rupam, and of course our international guest DJ for tonight is Mr. DJ Akhil Talreja. You know, Rupam, DJ Akhil Talreja has created a new scene into the DJ industry in India, and so let's see how he explains it about it.
I also did a different thing in it. I am also called a Tapori King in India and everywhere.
Yeah.
So I thought let's bring in the signature style of Akhil Talreja. It will be a Tapori style.
Of course.
Wherein the time signature, the beat patterns of the song changes completely from the club beats. Popularity was also not because of remixes, but I also did very different things.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was just going to say. Especially, that new trend of mashups. Normally, we used to hear remixes, having, a few other songs beat in there. But the thing the trend you started with the mashups, and having that, and especially the hyper beat of house music or techno. That's something totally turned the world around. And to be honest, I know exactly what you mean, man. And obviously, because follow up in music for a long time, and obviously we play it out in the studio as well. So that's one trend that you've come up with, and especially the tagline when it comes DJ Akhil Talreja. The things when it comes in between, it's just totally amazing. And another thing,
thanks for that.
Yeah, man, and you probably would agree with me. The remixes you do, obviously there's millions of remixes, millions of DJs do around the world. But there's some remixes that everyone would want to listen. जिसके बोलते हैं ना दिल में सुकून लगता है ना, जैसे we listen to a love song.
Yeah.
That's what they do. And my favorite remixes for me is Tumi Ho, and that was a beautiful remix of you, man. To be honest.
Oh, thanks a lot.
से जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा क्योंकि तुम भी हो अब तुम भी हो जिंदगी अब तुम भी हो चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी अब तुम भी हो
DJ Akhil Talreja, and you're listening to the DJ Mix with RJ Rupam and DJ Nonit on Hum FM.
गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो संभलना मुश्किल हो गया
जो तेरी
वेल हम साउंड्स डीजे मिक्स में आपके साथ में रूपम, हमारे साथ ऑफ कोर्स हम एफएम्स रेजिडेंट डीजे नॉनित भी है, एंड ओवर द फोन लाइन वी हैव विद अस द वेरी पॉपुलर वेरी अक्लेम्ड इंटरनेशनली अक्लेम्ड डीजे अखिल तलरेजा। पर उससे पहले आपको बता दूं कि जो सॉन्ग्स आप सुन रहे हैं आर ऑल मटेरियल्स ऑफ डीजे अखिल तलरेजा हिमसेल्फ, बट द मैन हिमसेल्फ डीजे नॉनित इज mashing them up live from the studio.
Well, thank you very much, Rupam. Yes, we are, and of course, DJ Akhil Taleja is our guest for tonight, and he owns DJ Academy back in India.
Exactly.
So we'll talk about him about that as well. Before that, giveaways. We've got giveaways. $100 car grooming voucher from 4G Auto Electrical. Also, I've got 5 double door entry passes for Club Waterfall. They're located in 53 Cavendish Drive, Manukau. Also, I've got 3 $25 worth of Food for Less vouchers. They're located in 13 Veronica Street, New Lynn. And also, I've got a $50 discount voucher for a Hummer ride. And thanks to Smart Services, they're located in Westfield, Manukau, St. Luke's, Henderson, Sylvia Park, and North Shore Malls. So, all you have to do, अपना नाम लिखकर 5599 पर टेक्स्ट कीजिए.
Exactly, कोई सवाल नहीं है, बस अपना पूरा नाम लिख के भेज दीजिए. Around 11:30, which is our draw time. Around 11:30 हम लकी ड्रॉ करने वाले हैं in just under 2 hours time. Now coming back to DJ Akhil Taleja, internationally acclaimed, hugely popular. But a very nice thing is that वो believe करते हैं that for a DJ to come up to the scene, the DJ should know the basics. The DJ should be properly trained, and he has taken it extremely seriously. So we'll get to know about the DJ Academy, which DJ Akhil Taleja actually owns.
Yep. How is the experience of you, running a DJ Academy, a course director? So how's the experience?
As I said, I started 10 years back. So we didn't have good infrastructure of learning DJing. Well, the industry is not popular. Why will you have classes? We had few classes, but they were not working in an organized way. So what I thought of late, like I am the brand ambassador of Party Map DJ Academy.
Yeah.
I am also the course director and the creative head of Party Map DJ Academy.
That's right, yeah.
Wherein we offer music production courses, CD mixing courses, and we have it online as well. Anybody in New Zealand who wants to learn music production can go to partymap.in, and we also have online training on FL Studio.
Sure.
So what we thought is, since it's been time now, our industry is getting boomed every day. It's getting popular every day. It's getting bigger every single day. So we thought it's time to get organized in the training structure also. See, what has happened is there is a sudden explosion of DJs.
Yep.
Every day you see a DJ popping up.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
But where is this DJ? Where is the DJ coming from? Does he have a background of? Is he trained? And if he's trained, what are the grounds on which he's trained? There has to be an organized way of getting him trained.
Exactly.
So we thought, not from a business aspect, but from a social aspect, that we should do something for people. We should open an academy wherein we should give them correct training. It should work like a corporate structure, corporate industry, like how other training academy classes and colleges work, music colleges, schools work.
Yeah.
It should be like that.
Of course.
And we did it in a very organized way. And today we have 5 centers in India.
Wow.
And we are doing really well.
हमारी एंट्री आने दिल में बजी घंटियां रे हमारी एंट्री आने दिल में बजी घंटियां रे कमेंट्रियां रे प्यार की घंटियां रे अरे फोन गाड़ी करना अब नहीं सुधरना उठने लगा है अरे चाहतों का जलना दिल की ना मरम्मत हो ना कोई वारंटियां
Well, we are 19 minutes away from 10 o'clock. Hum Sounds DJ Mix mein. This is the DJ Mix crew of RJ Rupam and DJ Nonit in conversation with the very, very popular DJ Akhil Talreja, jo ki hame over the phone he has joined us, and we are playing some of DJ Akhil Talreja materials for you, which DJ Nonit himself is mixing from the Hum FM studios. Waise DJ Akhil Talreja, he is the winner of 15, that's right, 15 award of DJs, and he has performed all over India, US, Middle East and Africa, to name a few countries. And साथ ही साथ he has performed alongside many personalities जैसे कि इस्माइल दरबार, ऋतिक रोशन, विशाल शेखर, शान, बापिलरी, शिवमणि, हार्डकोर, list is endless.
Yeah, and 15 DJ awards, it's not a small thing, Rupam. It's a really big thing.
Definitely.
You know, and this guy is not small, obviously. Well, he was talking about one of his mixes. I was asking him that what's a future project. So let's see what he says. So, Akhil, what are your future projects? What are your plans for the future?
See, what I have believed in is you cannot do one thing every day.
Exactly.
You cannot repeat the same thing every day. It has to saturate some point in time.
Yeah.
Be it remixes, be it doing gigs, be it academy. You need to innovate. You need to do something new every now and then. You cannot sleep peacefully. You're in an industry where there is a lot of competition. You have to keep thinking of new things. Be it remixes, what is a new style. Nowadays what we do is, when we do a remix, we also get in dubstep in between. So that there is a variation of sound, there is something new in what they're listening to. Otherwise, fans tend to get bored. What I do is, I usually, whenever I've seen this thing, whenever people try to, innovate things, or they try to do something different out of the box, they lose the basics of the material.
Yeah.
They lose the charm of the material, and they do extremely different stuff which is not even looked at.
Yeah.
But what I do is, I make it a point that even if I'm doing something different, I do go back to the last stage wherein my fans connected with me. So even if I'm doing a dubstep, I make sure it's a groovy dubstep, which Indians and masses can relate to. If you can hear my Pinky remix, if you listen to it, I've done dubstep to it, and it goes back to the Tapoli style. So what is happening, it's a combination of new and old.
Exactly.
So I believe in doing new things, keep changing, keep innovating, and that's the inspiration.
Yeah.
कैश चाहिए मुझे, कैश चाहिए, कैश चाहिए मुझे, कैश चाहिए, पैसा दे, तमाशा दे, नाचेगी पिंकी फुल डोले। अरे पैसा दे, तमाशा दे, नाचेगी पिंकी फुल डोले। आते हैं सारे सपनों के, मुंबई ना दिल्ली वालों की, पिंकी है पैसे वालों की। मुंबई ना दिल्ली वालों की, पिंकी है पैसे वालों अच्छा मजा मेरा रिश्ता कभी फेल होता नहीं हर मोहल्ले में हाय मेरा क्या मर्दड़ा शॉरी
DJ Akhil Talreja, and you're listening to the DJ Mix with RJ Rupam and DJ Nonit on Hum FM.
Alright, you're tuned into your Horas Hum FM 106.2, and I'm DJ Navneet and with RJ Rupam, and this is the live DJ mix segment. And our international DJ, it's good to have him on with us tonight, Mr. DJ Akhil Talreja. And also, You alright? रूपम ठीक है आप? क्या हुआ?
एकदम वैसे we have almost reached the end of the guest
जी.
DJ segment. आज of course we have featured DJ Akhil Talreja and we want to know regarding the Jackie Shroff incident definitely.
Yeah.
And some of his memorable experiences.
Of course. What was your best, like, what was the best memory event you, since the journey started till now?
Well, one of my best, finest, memorable event was when I was in US, in California.
Yeah.
I was playing for the New Year's.
Right. Oh, right.
It was the best experience ever in San Francisco.
How was the meetup with Jackie Shroff? I think you're coming back from for party, mate. Am I right?
Basically, Jackie Shroff is known to my friend.
Yeah.
And so he decided to meet us on a very, very popular street or a very, very popular long empty road.
Yeah.
Which has palms on it, and he was coming from his farmhouse.
Okay.
So he decided to, say hi, drop in a hi, and he wanted to. Also, when I met him, I gave him my CDs, and in my volume 3, Achilles's volume 3, I had remixed this song called Tera Naam Liya. Tera Naam Liya.
Yeah, that's the one.
Song.
Yeah.
So. And what happened is I was having the CD luckily, and I made him hear the song, and he just loved the song. He said, at least, he loved it because you usually don't listen to such selective tracks, which have already, we're done with the age.
Yeah.
So he was very happy with the remix, and he shocked me by taking my autograph on a CD.
Yeah, that was a big achievement, I reckon.
I mean, he said, Bidu, sign kar.
Yeah, I was the.
मैंने बोला what? मैंने बोला आप मुझे autograph दो. नहीं तू sign कर, मैं तेरा fan हूँ.
So it's been a really, really big pleasure talking to you, and I really appreciate you took out a very, very busy time. I know you're a very busy fellow.
Always for my fans. I'm always there for my fans, and thanks a lot, Nonis, for calling me to the radio station, to the getting me online to speak to my fans in New Zealand. And I wanna tell them that I am here. I'm listening to you guys. Also on my page, you can find it. You can like a verified DJ Akhil Talreja page on FB. And you can find me on Twitter as well. I am also on SoundCloud. You can find me DJ Akhil Talreja, SoundCloud / DJ Akhil Talreja. You can find me on DJ Akhil Talreja. So I am all there. Write to me. I might not be able to reply, but I am listening. And I do make changes when they tell me.
That's awesome, and I wish and we wish to see you sometime in New Zealand very soon, in Auckland.
Definitely, I'm always there. And it will be a pleasure to be in Auckland. And thanks a lot, Nonis, for calling me in here.
Weekends are hot.
And it's about to get even hotter.
3, 2, 1. Initiate dance sequence.
Put on your dancing shoes, cause we are kickstarting the weekend with Hub Sound's DJ Mix.
Last night a DJ saved my life.
Featuring the Hum FM resident DJ Nolneek and a new guest DJ every Friday night. Text in your party requests at 5599. Let's add it. Let the DJ mix it up for you.
Hum Sounds, the DJ Mix. Alright. Friday nights, 8 p.m. onwards. It's your date to hit the floor.